So cornfield map. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of fucking almond water for this bullshit, no matter fucking what. But what do I do on this map? Do I just run through this fucking area or what? Amount of fucking I'm gonna go towards the light because that's the best thing to do. But I don't know if there's entities in this fucking level, which is a fucking problem. I'm gonna go towards the light because that's the best thing I can think of. Ooh! What the fuck kind of jump scare is that? That's fucking funny. Hold on, I'm gonna fucking watch the video because I don't know what to do. Ooh! That's funny. That's really fucking funny. Okay. Hold on. I'm still looking at my balls. What? Come on, fucking load, damn. Is it me or is this fucking Wi-Fi asshole? Okay, I think I know what to do now. I really think I know what to do. We're supposed to turn on the windmills to light the way out, which is pretty cool, I think. I've been on this fucking journey for like half a fucking century. I don't know. I really don't know. What? Help! 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 No! No! What the fuck happened? How do they catch me? I'm sorry, I swear. I've not stolen from the Dollar General. Okay, how am I supposed to fucking avoid that thing? Literally. You want me to fucking go towards it? Towards it, really? Okay, I guess we'll have to run through fucking here. Which doesn't help me, but... Help! What? Help! Help! Get off me, bitch! What? Who the fuck is saying boo? What the fuck is this shit? snowflakes in the butthole. Can't fucking see. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing. Okay, I'm so close to it. Okay, that's one. Another one over there. Nope. What the fuck? Why they have chainsaws? It's not nice. Okay, so I've done that one. Do I really have to do all over again? Are you fucking serious? Why is a crazy man chasing me through a fucking cornfield? What do they want from me? It's because I'm black. Is that the problem? Is it because of that reason? I'm sorry if I'm black, but I can't help it. Okay? Come on, hurry up, boy. Man, hurry the fuck up. Please. I hit nothing but haystack. And the nuts. Fuck. Excuse me? I've been bamboozled. Fucking bamboozled. What the fuck do I do? On Farmer's Precious, Scott. What the fuck do I do? Okay, so I obviously must have gotten the one I'm talking about. Or it could be completely wrong. Yeah, I gotten that one. So I have to get the fucking other one, which I don't know how I'm gonna fucking get that one, because Dr. Phil around here is with a fucking chainsaw trying to cut me up. There he is. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Fucking scary ass motherfucker. Yeah. I don't like this game. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Hillbilly's trying to rape. That's why I don't like these games. Why does Hillbilly's try to hurt me? I didn't do nothing wrong. If you could listen to me, maybe we could become friends, okay? That's the only thing that could happen. We can become friends, and we can have a beautiful time for the both of us. I am fucked. Holy fuck. I really almost had a heart attack. I think I shit myself a little bit. Just a tiny bit of turd came out of my ass! Okay, I don't know if I can do this level. Amount of heart attack efficiency I'm gonna get from this. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. If I get a heart attack, I'm not coming back. Heart attack. Someone call 911. Someone call 911. This man is having a heart attack. We don't know what to do. Send backup. Why do you need fucking backup? It's just a fucking heart attack, you dumb fuck. I can maybe bend over a little bit, and then I don't know what I'm trying to make out. Make out? Ew, fuck. What the fuck am I talking about? What the hell do you guys want? I try to make a living off the internet. I try beating my dick to porn. I know I spent my money on porn, but that's nothing for the concern about. That's not your concern, I mean. This is probably one of the scariest levels because why is it so fucking wheat? Nothing but fucking wheat for fucking miles. And what farmers own this fucking farm? Okay, there we go. Why couldn't it let me there? Yeah, I can't speak. Why couldn't it have? I'm literally gonna mumble every time I fucking speak a language that has not been spoken. What the fuck does that even mean? Okay, I'm gonna go this way instead. Cause there's no... At this point, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I think my blood has run cold. I'm scared as fuck. If I get jump scared, I'm having a heart attack. You will probably hear me die, but that's probably for the best of it. I don't know what I'm talking about. I really don't. Local man has a heart attack for playing a game called Escape the Backrooms. And, he shit himself. He said he ain't coming back from this one. And look what happened. You didn't come back for... If I had a chainsaw on this fucking level, I would literally defend myself. If I can't go through. What the fuck is this monstrosity of a fucking level, man? Is that a fucking farmhouse? What the fuck? Fucking farmhouse. Okay, this is where the hillbillies come from. I can't tell if he's stuck. Probably gonna go back to where I came from. Leatherface is here. I done fucked up. I think I glitched the fucking game. Yeah, I glitched myself. Yeah, I'm stuck in here for eternity. Mr. Chin. Sir, can you help me? Sir? Okay, I don't get what the fuck is this level with fucking people with data and that fucking fun. Okay, let's restart one more time. And if we don't make it, you know, why? Okay, we need to drink this. No. I don't like it! Okay, we're gonna go this way instead. Because I don't know what the fuck to do anymore. So... What? Is this a fucking barrier in front of me? What do I do? If I can't get it, I'm probably end up having a seizure. Because I can't get fucking shit in a video game, which... I mean a game, not a video game. If it was a video game, you could play fucking RPG. I can't speak. I'd like to know where the fuck to go. This is not a wouldn't wait to treat a man on a special adventure in the wild of the jungle. I'm not worried about Leatherface. I'm literally worried about how the fuck am I supposed to do this. Leatherface over in the other hand is trying to fucking hack me up. I don't know what the hell is their problem. What the fuck they want? Some sliced up meat? What? They're literally the fucking Cannibal family from The Walking Dead from season 1. But one of them is crazy. Well, has gone mad because maybe maybe I killed their mother or fucked them. I don't fucking know. And he wants blood, or he just wants to eat me. I don't fucking know. I really don't know. I'm weird just talking to myself. It's fucking weird. But I don't like it. First with the weird eyeball monster, and then now with the fucking cannibal fucking family. What the hell is this bullshit? I don't know if there's one member. I don't know if there's more than one member of the family. I'm not sure. All I know is just a guy with a chainsaw. And the one thing I don't fucking understand on this fucking level, how the fuck you jump the damn fence. Which will be a lot better if you fucking can. But nope. You don't have to jump the fence because that's fucking cheating. What the fuck's the point? If you're supposed to get over to the fucking light, what the hell are you supposed to do in the first place? One thing I don't fucking understand. How can I not get through a tiny ass gap? That makes no fucking sense. I'm gonna loop. And I'm back at the fucking farm again. That's the end of the road, really? Just that giant ass fucking farm? That's really what the hell is the end of the road. What the fuck? What's the point of coming here? Seriously. How the fuck am I supposed to do this? My legs are up like I'm a fucking girl. Literally, makes no fucking sense. No, fuck it, I'm gonna go through it again, and if I can't get towards it, I don't fucking know. This game is very either broken or fucking broken. I don't know the definition of broken. I thought that was tech support. I told them the gun. They're still laughing. They're still laughing. I told them the gun. Why do you have your computer? They thought that was tech support. That's funny. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm going places, but at the same time, I'm not. What the fuck am I being abducted? What the fuck is this light? Okay. How the fuck do you do this level? Why was I sent all the way back here? Alright, hold on. I gotta get this book. It's almost 3 a.m. Holy fuck. No, I'm calling that fucking. I'm like, I'm calling that fucking entity. Fucking Leatherface or fucking one of the cannibals. Because he wants to fucking kill me. You cannot tell me he took inspiration from Leatherface. Literally. If you think about it. I don't know why I sound like a fucking guy. If you think about it, man on fire. It's really man on fire. What the fuck are you talking about? At the point, you're making no fucking sense. Man on fire is man on fire. What the fuck is man on fire? What am I even bringing that up about? Okay, I think I'm getting close. I think. And I was wrong. This is why you don't... This is why... And I'm going opposite direction. Of course, I am. How the fuck do you actually do this? So you're supposed to go towards the light that you were... The windmill that you... I'm literally gonna have a stroke if I can't speak. The windmill that you were at before. You're supposed to go to that one, and then you're supposed to go past it to the other one. You're supposed to light up the way, even though the fucking one's off. What the fuck? I was supposed to light up the way even though fucking off. Literally. Meanwhile, you got fucking hillbilly Leatherface chasing you through a fucking haystack. And I'm back to Hillbilly Farm 2.0. Skip the fucking Backrooms with Leatherface. Some man with a chainsaw is literally chasing me. I don't like this map. One bit. Do not like. I'm gonna start. So we're gonna go through this way. And if I can't get it, I don't know. I just plain worry about to have an aneurysm from all this shit. Meanwhile, fucking hillbillies from fucking Wrong Turn want to eat me. Okay, I'm supposed to look for the giant ass fucking water tower. Okay, Leatherface is after me. Leatherface! I could explain myself. I'm sorry that you missed your ballet class. I can explain that one. No, I'm literally trying to do this. He's literally a man with a chainsaw. He's not even near me.
Why are you running?
So I can get through this level faster and I don't get jump scared. And I got like another level after this.
How many have you done?
Oh, like 7 so far. Not mean 6. All in one day. I really don't know. Okay, I think I was going the right way before, but buttocks. What are you doing? Okay. How did he find me? I already heard him fucking. He's literally in this fucking area, guaranteed. Where the fuck do I go? Are you serious? There's more. Okay, this better be the last one. If it ain't, then I'm fucked. Shit. Shit. Can I not get over it? Fuck you. Whore. It's literally bullshit. What the fuck do I do? I'm literally right there. Oh, he's coming. He's mad. He wants my back meat. Okay. I'm gonna go this way. Fuck. Is there no... Fuck.
See him. He just ran at you and the game ended.
Fuck. I literally can't see shit. Word. Fuck, I can't go this way, what the fuck? Okay, finally we're making progress. I think, I'm not sure. Something over there. You can wake up. Wake up. Alright, so. What? Hold on, I've been doing this for 30 fucking minutes, holy fuck. 30 fucking minutes. Come on, man. so close. It's right there. I just want to beat this level and be done with it. I don't want to come back to it ever. I have to be near. There's no fucking way I have to be near. Just let me be near. And you fucked me. Fuck my path. Great. Okay. Don't fuck path up. Don't fuck path up, please. 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 Okay, I need one more. I think. I don't know. But I'm happy that I made progress. Very happy. Not get me, Leatherface. Fuck off, Leatherface. Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna have to go the other way. Oh, I get it, what it means. I get what it means now. So each time you interact with the windmill, it guides you on where you're going. I get it. I understand it now. Hopefully this is the last one. If it ain't, then... well, I don't know at this point, because this level is probably the scariest I ever fucking been on in a fucking Backrooms game. I don't like it. I hate this level. And with Chainsaw, and I am nicknamed Leatherface because that's what he is. I'm gonna go this way. Please be open, please be open, please be open, please be open. If it ain't, then, well, at this point, I don't know anymore. Please be open, please be open, please be open, please be open, please be open. It's all the way over here. Fuck off, Leatherface. Don't know how you found me. Okay. So. Alright. It's literally right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Fucking pussy. I've literally been going through this fucking corn stalk shenanigan for fucking 40 minutes now. I believe so. That's how long I've been doing this for.